Welcome back. Today we are exploring some TikTok kitchen gadgets that are actually worth it. From genius tools to time-saving essentials, these picks make cooking and prepping a breeze. Check out the links in the description, and let's get started. This automatic electric peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables effortless and hands-free. With the push of a button, it quickly removes the skin from potatoes, apples, cucumbers, and more, saving you time and mess during food prep. It's especially helpful for people with arthritis or limited dexterity. The included spare blades are a great backup, and the built-in storage compartment keeps your space tidy. It's surprisingly efficient and works well even with softer produce, making it a solid tool for both everyday cooking and larger meal prep. Cracking eggs can be messy, but this tool makes it effortless. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the design allows for precise cracking with no shell fragments. Whether you're separating yolks for baking or making perfectly cracked soft-boiled eggs, this gadget saves time and frustration. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and it's a great addition for home cooks and bakers who love efficiency in the kitchen. This dumpling maker is designed to make the process of forming dumplings quick and consistent. Made from food-grade ABS material, it's safe and lightweight, and the non-stick surface helps the dough lift right off after forming. Just place the wrapper and filling, press it closed, and pop out perfect dumplings or baozi every time. The seal is strong enough to keep everything tucked inside during cooking, and it's fun to use even for kids or beginners. A great gadget for those who love Asian cooking or enjoy making meals from scratch. Easily open jars of all sizes with this automatic hands-free jar opener. Designed with improved torque, it grips and twists even the most stubborn lids with the push of a button. Perfect for those with limited hand strength or arthritis, this electric jar opener works effortlessly on a variety of jar sizes. Compact and easy to store, it's a must-have kitchen gadget for added convenience and independence when handling tightly sealed jars. Whether you're in a hurry or struggling with a tight lid, this tool makes opening jars effortless. If you're serious about grilling, this extra-large rack makes outdoor cooking a breeze. It holds up to 18 pieces of chicken, legs, wings, or thighs, suspended over the grill so they cook evenly and drip off excess fat. The rotating feature helps everything cook thoroughly without burning, and the stainless steel build stands up well to heat and cleaning. Whether it's for a backyard barbecue or meal prep, this rack adds efficiency and flavor to every cookout. Getting corn off the cob can be messy and time-consuming, but this compact corn stripper makes the process clean and simple. Just twist and push it around the cob, and it neatly collects the kernels inside without any flying mess. It's a real time saver for recipes that call for fresh corn, and it's small enough to stash in a drawer when you're done. Whether you're prepping a salad, soup, or just want an easier way to enjoy corn, this tool is surprisingly satisfying to use. This electric slicer brings deli-style slicing right into your kitchen with a 150-watt motor and adjustable thickness up to 15 millimeters. It's ideal for slicing meats, cheeses, and even veggies with precision. Perfect for charcuterie boards, sandwich prep, or batch cooking. The stainless steel construction feels sturdy and reliable, and cleanup is manageable with the removable components. Whether you're using it at home or in a small commercial setting, this machine adds speed and consistency to your food prep routine. Designed to make steaming vegetables as simple as possible, this foldable steamer basket adjusts to fit different pot sizes with ease. It works in any pot at least 7 inches wide and features a handy hook in the center so you can lift it out without burning your hands. The mix of silicone and heat-resistant plastic handles high temps without warping, and it folds down flat for easy storage. It's a great tool for healthy cooking, especially if you're working with limited kitchen space. This silicone food warming mat is a practical solution for keeping dishes hot during family meals, parties, or buffets. It features 4 adjustable temperature settings and raised feet to protect your table or countertop. The flexible roll-up design makes it easy to store or take on the go, and it's large enough to accommodate multiple dishes at once. Whether you're hosting or just want to keep dinner warm while everyone gathers, this is a smart, portable solution that adds convenience to any meal. Combining the functionality of a sturdy cutting board with built-in storage, this bamboo board is great for anyone who preps large meals. It features juice grooves to prevent mess, side handles for easy lifting, and sliding drawers underneath to collect chopped ingredients or scraps. The durable bamboo surface is gentle on knives and offers plenty of space for chopping, slicing, or carving. This all-in-one design helps streamline prep and cleanup, especially in busy kitchens or for those who like to stay organized. This upgraded pineapple cutter takes the hassle out of prepping one of the trickiest fruits. It comes with both a manual handle and an electric drill attachment, making it perfect for everything from quick slicing to bulk prep when hosting. The durable stainless steel construction ensures clean spirals every time, and it's sturdy enough to handle even overripe pineapples without bending or sticking. It's a time saver for fruit salads, drinks, and desserts, and cleanup is simple too. Whether you're cutting 1 pineapple or 5, it makes the process fast, neat, and oddly satisfying. This compact grape cutter is a clever tool for parents, salad lovers, and anyone who wants neatly halved grapes or grape tomatoes without the mess. It's It's small but effective, with sharp internal blades that slice cleanly without crushing. Simply load in a grape and squeeze. The result is quick, uniform halves that are safe and easy to eat. Ideal for kids' lunches or adding to a charcuterie board, it's a thoughtful little gadget that turns a repetitive task into something you can do in seconds. Plus, it stores easily and rinses clean with no fuss. If you ever struggle to slice round or slippery vegetables, this slicing assistant is a game changer. The stainless steel prongs pierce and hold your onion, tomato, or lemon steady, while providing evenly spaced guides for your knife. It not only helps with uniform slicing, but also keeps your fingers protected from slips. Great for anyone with limited dexterity or who just wants cleaner prep. It's versatile enough to use with a variety of produce. It's lightweight, easy to rinse, and surprisingly helpful once you've tried it a few times. A smart addition to any prep routine. Pasta Night gets an upgrade with this gourmet pasta press attachment. It turns your stand mixer into a full-service pasta machine, offering 6 different pasta shapes like spaghetti, rigatoni, and fusilli. The plates swap out easily, and the extrusion is smooth and consistent once your dough is dialed in. It's perfect for home chefs who love making fresh pasta but don't want to deal with a bulky countertop machine. Plus, the quality feels solid, and the results are restaurant-worthy with a bit of practice. For fresh pasta lovers, this tool unlocks a lot of new possibilities. This multi-use kitchen slicer is great for anyone who wants quick, uniform slices of soft foods without pulling out a cutting board and knife. Whether you're slicing boiled eggs, cheese, luncheon meat, or even strawberries and kiwis, this tool gets it done quickly and cleanly. The adjustable tension knob gives you control depending on the food's firmness. It's especially helpful for making sandwiches, prepping breakfast, or creating snack trays. With a durable build and simple design, it's a reliable little helper that handles more than you'd expect. The original mini chopper makes food prep incredibly quick and surprisingly fun. With its stainless steel blades and butterfly-style opening, it slices and dices everything from onions and nuts to herbs and soft veggies with a few taps. It's compact but sharp, and the simple press-down motion saves time when chopping for salads, tacos, or stir-fries. The unique opening design also makes cleanup super easy, no awkward corners to scrub. It's a solid tool for speeding up small kitchen tasks without needing electricity or bulky gear. This stainless steel corn peeler set brings versatility to your corn prep, whether you're slicing fresh kernels into a bowl or using the cutter cup to catch every bit with minimal mess. The serrated blades make quick work of even tougher corn, while the ergonomic handle helps keep things comfortable. It's ideal for summer barbecues, homemade soups, or just stocking your freezer with fresh kernels. With multiple options included, you can pick the best tool for each job, making this a great set for anyone who loves cooking with fresh corn. For small herbs and vegetables, this manual spice and veggie chopper is both charming and practical. It's especially good for parsley, cilantro, chili peppers, and garlic. Anything you want finely chopped without reaching for a knife. Its non-electric hand-twist design makes it great for quick prep or garnishes. Whether you're seasoning a dish or prepping sauces, it gives you full control over texture without the noise or hassle of electric tools. Lightweight and easy to clean, it's a handy go-to for home cooks and restaurant chefs alike. This 4-piece wine tool set includes everything you need to open, pour, and preserve your favorite bottles. The air pressure pump cork remover is effortless and efficient. Just a few pumps and the cork pops out smoothly. The foil cutter, aerator pourer, and vacuum stopper round out the set, making it easy to enjoy a perfect glass from start to finish. It's a classy and functional gift for any wine lover or a great upgrade to your own bar setup. With a sleek look and compact design, it's both stylish and practical. This elegant glass food container does more than just store rice. It brings organization and style to your kitchen. The airtight lid keeps grains fresh, while the wooden stand gives it a clean, modern look that fits beautifully in any pantry or on the counter. With a 5-liter capacity, it's great for rice, flour, cereal, or even coffee beans. The clear design lets you see contents at a glance, and the spout makes pouring easy and mess-free. It's a smart combination of form and function, especially if you love keeping your space both neat and visually appealing. This 6-piece kitchen gadget set is a compact and thoughtful combo that covers a wide range of everyday tasks. It includes a cheese grater, bottle opener, peeler, pizza cutter, garlic and ginger grinder, and an herb stripper, all designed to be space-saving and easy to store. Each tool feels lightweight but sturdy, and the colorful, modern look adds some fun to the kitchen. Whether you're prepping a quick snack or cooking a full meal, this set brings convenience without cluttering your drawers. It also makes a practical and affordable gift, set for anyone who's moving into a new home or upgrading their kitchen tools. The 6-in-1 multifunctional cooking spoon is one of those clever gadgets that earns its spot in the kitchen drawer. With heat resistance up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, it can handle everything from hot oil to boiling water. You can use it as an egg separator, a masher, a strainer, a grater, and a general-purpose spoon, all in one tool. It's great for quick meals, camping, or small kitchens where every inch of space space matters. If you enjoy making chopped salads, this stainless steel Mezzaluna knife is a game changer. The curved blade allows you to rock back and forth easily, chopping lettuce, herbs, and veggies into perfect bite-sized pieces. The handle provides a secure grip, and the solid weight of the blade helps do the work for you. It's also great for mincing garlic or slicing through softer cheeses. Cleanup is fast, and it's easy to store thanks to its slim profile. This is a practical upgrade for anyone who wants to speed up salad prep or just enjoys using quality kitchen tools. This silicone clip-on strainer is a smart alternative to bulky colanders. It attaches directly to pots and pans, letting you drain pasta, meat, or veggies without needing to transfer food to another container. Made of flexible but durable silicone, it fits securely on most round pots and even some square ones. It's especially useful when working with boiling water, since you can tilt and drain without extra hands. The compact design makes it super easy to store, and it holds up well in the dishwasher. It's one of those simple tools that quickly becomes a go-to. For taco lovers, this tortilla bowl maker brings some real fun to the kitchen. It turns standard 8 to 10-inch tortillas into perfectly crisp golden bowls that you can fill with anything from taco salad and chili to desserts or dips. It's easy to use. Just pop in a tortilla, bake, and it takes shape without any mess. The non-stick coating helps with cleanup, and the compact size means you can store it without hassle. Whether it's Taco Tuesday or you're hosting guests, this adds a creative twist to your meal presentation and makes food feel just a little more special. This 2-piece watermelon cutter and melon baller set is a clever way to make fruit prep quicker and more fun. The stainless steel windmill-style cutter slices watermelon into neat, even cubes with a simple push, great for fruit salads or snack trays. The included baller scoop is ideal for shaping other fruits like cantaloupe or honeydew, and even works well for soft cheeses or cookie dough. Both tools are easy to clean and a lot safer than using large knives, especially if you have kids helping in the kitchen. It's a handy, mess-free way to enjoy summer fruits anytime. The drain cleaning machine is a solid solution for tough bathroom and kitchen clogs. Whether you're dealing with hair in the shower or buildup in the sink, this 120-volt powered cleaner offers a serious boost compared to manual snakes. It features an auto-feed system that makes it easier to guide the cable into the drain without tangling or fighting resistance, and the inner core cable is flexible but strong enough to power through most household blockages. The guide hose keeps everything neat, and it's compact enough for storage in a utility closet. If you've been relying on chemical drain cleaners, this is a much safer, more effective upgrade. This spill-proof drink carrier looks simple but works surprisingly well. It uses a suspended tray design with a flexible handle that balances liquid-filled cups or mugs, even when walking or moving quickly. It's perfect for avoiding spills when carrying drinks upstairs, through hallways, or outside to the patio. Whether you're holding a cup of coffee or a bowl of soup, it helps keep the contents level. It's a clever little invention that's especially great for anyone who's clumsy with full cups, or just wants to avoid a mess in the car or around the house. Designed for those who struggle with lifting heavy cookware, this pan handle attachment offers a clever and ergonomic solution. It gives you better leverage and stability by adding a second, vertical handle to your frying pan or skillet. This makes it much easier to control and lift hot or heavy pans, especially when transferring from stove to counter or oven to table. It's a great aid for seniors, people with wrist issues, or anyone who wants a safer grip while cooking. It fits most standard pan handles and doesn't interfere with stovetop use. A small change that makes a big difference. This under-cabinet jar opener is a real lifesaver for people with arthritis or weak hands. It mounts securely out of sight under your cabinet, and once it's in place, you just press a jar lid against the teeth and twist. No slipping, straining, or asking for help. It works with a wide range of lid sizes, from small bottles to wide mason jars. The design is simple and durable, and once installed, you'll forget it's even there, until the next time you open a jar with one hand like it's nothing. A quiet hero of kitchen accessibility. This cold press juicer is a powerful and efficient option for anyone serious about fresh juice. It's designed to never clog, even when processing fibrous fruits and vegetables like celery or leafy greens. With 2 pulp control functions, you can decide exactly how much texture you want in your juice, smooth or more fiber-rich. The parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy, and its second-generation build feels more refined and quieter than older models. Whether you're juicing for a morning boost or meal prepping for the week, this unit handles it all with ease and consistency. This airtight rice container offers both functionality and peace of mind for grain storage. It holds up to 22 pounds, keeping rice, lentils, or other dry goods safe from moisture and pests. The sealed lid keeps contents fresh, and it's surprisingly easy to move around thanks to its built-in handles. The design is clean and compact enough for a pantry or countertop, and the airtight feature actually works. You'll hear that satisfying click when it's sealed. It makes a great practical gift for housewarmings or anyone who buys dry goods in bulk. This little egg separator is a playful and practical addition to your baking tools. Designed like a daisy flower, it adds a bit of charm to what's usually a messy task. Just crack an egg into the center and watch as the whites slip through the petals, leaving the yolk behind. It's easy to clean, lightweight, and made of food-safe plastic. While it's clearly cute, it's also very effective, making it a nice gift for kids learning to cook or anyone who enjoys a little fun in the kitchen. The press-type vegetable cutter is a versatile and time-saving kitchen tool. Whether you're prepping fries, dicing onions, or slicing carrots and cucumbers, it handles a variety of tasks with one simple push. The press design gives you more control and makes slicing fast and uniform, especially helpful if you do a lot of meal prepping. The build feels sturdy, and the blades are sharp enough to handle firm veggies. It's also a solid alternative to more expensive electric choppers, especially for quick, everyday use. And lastly, this manual meat slicer is a great tool if you regularly prepare your own meats or enjoy hot pot-style meals at home. It's designed to handle frozen beef, bones, and even firm vegetables with precision and minimal effort. The stainless steel construction makes it easy to clean and durable for long-term use, while the adjustable thickness lets you slice everything from paper-thin cuts to thicker chunks. Whether you're into DIY food prep or looking for a cost-effective way to get deli-quality slices at home, this slicer is a solid pick. Alright, that wraps up our list of TikTok famous kitchen gadgets that are genuinely worth checking out. If any of these caught your eye, don't forget, you'll find all the links down below. Let us know which one you're adding to your cart and if you've tried any of them already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.